My beautiful friends, how you're doing? There is an update on Hamster. If you go to the airdrop section, we now have a third withdrawal option. We've had this for quite some time now. They added this last week, OKX, okay? I didn't make a video about this, okay? Don't forget, this right here is not for Nigerians because OKX, the OKX exchange, have withdrawn their services for the Nigerian market, okay? So if you're Nigerian, don't sign up on OKX. Do not connect your OKX account if you've got one, okay? Now we have the one that might interest you, which is the Bybit exchange, because this one here still offers their services to the Nigerian market, okay? And of course, if you live elsewhere, okay, check any of this, okay? The one that works for your country or the one that would be better for you, okay? If the OKX exchange works for your country or works in your country and this one also works in your country, why not just choose the one that will be better for you, okay? And then that's it, okay? You might be wondering, what are you supposed to do now? Well, we're not supposed to do anything at the moment. All you need to do is to just get your account ready. For example, this Bybit, if you don't have an account with the Bybit exchange, what you could do is to sign up for an account, okay? If you click on this, you can see that they want you to sign up using their referral code, okay? If you want to do that, why not? You can go ahead. If you don't want to do that, you can simply go to the Google Play Store, download the Bybit app, and sign up yourself. If you want to say thanks to us, we also have got a referral code, which is going to be in the description of this video. You could use that to sign up while signing up, okay? The important thing is that you sign up and have an exchange where you can withdraw your Hamster Kombat tokens come the 26th of this month. Don't forget, the TG is happening on the 26th of this month, okay? So if you don't have a Bybit account, just sign up for an account and complete the KYC, okay? Somebody was asking me what this thing here means, okay? It simply means you should complete your KYC. KYC is know your customer, okay? The Bybit exchange will usually ask you to submit your verification identity documents, okay, like your international passport or your BVN or your driver's license. You get what I mean? Those kind of documents, okay? One of them, okay? They will just ask you to submit one of them, and then you submit the one you've got, and that's it. Within a few minutes or hours, your account would be verified, and that means you can trade on the platform. You can even do whatever you want to do, okay? So that's it. Get your Bybit account ready, and I want to believe that even Binance will be added here, because this is the biggest airdrop in the history of crypto, okay? Since the inception of crypto, there has never been an airdrop this massive. 300 million users of a particular project. We've never had that statistics before, okay? This will be the biggest. And you know, Binance would always like to associate themselves with trends, especially when the trend has a lot to do with money, okay? So I want to predict that Binance will come on board, okay? So if you love the Binance exchange, you could still get any of this ready while you await for Binance, okay? So, and don't forget, okay, the keys are very important. The keys are very important. I've been lazy lately, but I shouldn't be, because these are very important, okay? The keys, you get the keys by playing the mini game. Don't forget, we upload videos about the mini games every day, and then of course you can go to the playground section to play these games. They've removed the ones I like playing. I don't know what is happening. Who noticed that the bicycle game is no longer here? I love playing that bicycle game, this one, and sometimes the train miner. I've not even played any of these games today. I've been so busy. The airdrops are becoming so plenty that you don't even have time to play all of them. Even if you wake up in the morning and want to play all of them, it would be difficult to complete all of them, because I want to believe we have over 1,000 mini games on Telegram right now, okay? So what do you guys think, my friends? If you've got any questions regarding this, let's have them in the comment section. How many keys do you have? I'm actually interested, okay? Let's know how many keys you've got, because these keys are going to affect how much of the airdrop you are going to receive. And don't forget to improve your profit per hour. Let's go.